Wishing you all a good day. It's Thursday, I think, here in South Central Florida. And a beautiful day it is. No more dust. Sahara dust is gone, I believe, for good. Mama Mary, who fell and broke her hip, is out of hospital as of Tuesday, so she's been home now a couple days doing PT and OT, and we've got her Reiki'd up really good, so she's working with all the energies. She's on a fast track for healing and recovery, so she can get back to doing what she wants to do. Right now, she's happy being, as we all are. It's a very special time to be here. Happy to be alive. Big energies coming already now. The lunar eclipse, the July 4th's coming in already. Tap into it however you do. Set intentions. Say your prayers, do your ceremonies, do whatever you want to do, but do something internally. And if it is existential and you want to send it all out as well, expand, great. Just wanted to send a quick hello, love. Skies are fabulous today. Kind of interesting looking. Hot. 107 feel real in the 90s, high 90s. And we are burning, burning. So a little sweat never hurt anybody. Anyway, so much love. Enjoy your day, morning, evening, and big peace, big love, big joy.